Welcome back, my dear ITSA students. So last class में we started with chapter number 8, which was MIS, Management Information Systems. So we are done with few questions में. उसमें we are done with introduction with respect to MIS. We have also understood what are the characteristics of effective MIS, and we have also understood कि what type of reports एक MIS software generally provides. Okay, so in this class let us now discuss other questions, sir. And of course we have also seen myth, that is misconceptions with respect to MIS, sir. Okay, so now let us discuss another question. So what is the question, sir? Basic requirements of computer based MIS, sir. Now what do you mean by this? If you remember or you recollect from my past class, sir, उसमें I did say that एक MIS can be computerized or it can be non-computerized also. मतलब it can be manual, sir. Sir, if it is non-computerized, मतलब you can get wise report, item wise, month wise. You can get all those month wise, year wise reports, sir. Not it's not an issue, you can get it, sir, but don't you think it will become thoda complicated, sir? Sir, it will take time, it will not be accurate. Agreed or not, sir? But if you do with computerized, if you go for computerization, you will get some benefits, sir. So don't you think it's a paper may we will be going only for that MIS which is computerized, sir? Okay, so now the question is, what are the elements of computer based MIS? In short, in one computer based MIS, what will be there, sir? So what will be there, sir? Obviously hardware should be there, correct hai? Sir, where you will install the software? Hardware. So obviously software, sir. Who will develop? IT person. Who will use? Normal person. So can I say operational persons? Here you will have programmers also and you will have operators also who will use the software, sir. So better word would have been personnel, sir, but it's okay, है ना? So hardware is there, software is there, people or personnel is also there, sir. Can I say they should give some data inside the software and software will give output, sir. Don't you think उस output को we have to store? तो store करने के लिए we should have database, sir. So again hardware, software, people or personnel and store करने के लिए database, sir. Sir, don't you think है ना, you are sitting in front of a MIS and you want some output, sir. So you should be knowing some procedures. You should be knowing some procedures. Say for example, if I have to extract balance sheet from Tally, there is a procedure, sir. Gateway of Tally, है ना, उसमें से we will be checking balance sheet and then we will give the period. So you should be knowing the procedure to extract reports from where, sir? Any MIS, sir. So even these procedures are to be known, sir. So these are basic requirements of computer based MIS, or you can say elements of computer based MIS. Clear? Next, फीचर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर बेस्ड MIS. मतलब अगर एक कंप्यूटर बेस्ड MIS में, अगर if you go for MIS which is computerized, you will be getting some features, sir. So what are those features, sir? So these things you will find only in computer based MIS, not in normal MIS. Okay, so there are 5 points, sir. Now I have made my arrangements in a scenario based study, sir, and so this will help you in recollecting things faster. Now, sir, MIS will handle large volume of data. Yes, Tally can handle large volume of data. So first feature is, now you have one software which can handle large volume of data, sir. Okay, next point, sir. Sir, don't you think this software, one input को it is giving in variety of outputs, sir? मतलब input एक ही है but the way in which they are coming is different, sir. Can I say I took एक example of journal entry, balance sheet, P&L, ledger, trial balance. So can I say with one journal entry, you can get output in variety of formats. So don't you think analysis becomes easy? है ना? So features of computer based MIS sir. So पहला feature is what sir? You can handle large volume of data. Second feature is what sir? One input can be presented in multiple ways sir. Sir, the output will come slowly or real time. Real time matlab immediately sir. And will it be accurate or inaccurate? Answer is accurate sir. Sir, isse what will happen? You will be able to take timely decisions sir. So can I say easy to remember? First point is what sir? It is handling large volume of data sir. Sir, that data ko it is giving in different variety of outputs sir. Sir, all those outputs are coming immediately, that is real time. Isse I am able to all those are accurate also, and able to take efficient decisions sir. So 5 points are over sir. So this ends this answer sir. Okay sir, I am not discussing all the questions in order sir. First I am discussing A category questions sir. Okay, now let us discuss another question, which is prerequisites of effective MIS. Mark it as very important question sir. Prerequisites of an effective MIS. मतलब अगर एक कंप्यूटर बेस्ड MIS is to exist, obviously it will have hardware, software, database, personnel, all these things are there sir. If it has to be exist sir, and if it has to become effective MIS, मतलब एक MIS wants to become what बच्चा? Effective MIS. सर एक स्टूडेंट wants to become what sir? Effective student sir. Is it possible? Yes, but some additional points you have to meet sir. Similarly, some additional points he has to meet sir. So what are those is what this question is. Prerequisites, मतलब if this is there, your MIS will become effective sir. Okay, so first prerequisite is now MIS, मतलब MIS, it is a software which will give you information. To store that information, you require one database. To store that information, you require one database. Can I say database can be referred as a super file? It is that file which holds entire thing sir. It is that file which holds entire thing. Hence, एक effective based MIS should definitely have one database sir. Okay, next point sir. Sir, then an effective database should also have staff. Should also have staff. कैसा वाला staff sir? एक होगा system expert, एक होगा management expert. Now when I say system expert, what do you mean by system expert sir? Technical people sir. And management expert मतलब non-technical people. Imagine Ratan Tata wants MIS. So developer of MIS will be system expert. Ratan Tata will be management experts. Sir, don't you think this is also one of the important things sir? Sir, you want that system expert who also has knowledge of client's business. मतलब he should possess technical knowledge but also knowledge of client business sir. Because as long as he does not have knowledge of client business, he will not be able to develop software effectively. Similarly, management expert will have business knowledge, but he should also have little bit technical knowledge. So this is one of the prerequisites sir. Agreed? So non-technical person should have little bit technical knowledge. Technical person should have little bit non-technical knowledge. So this is your second prerequisite sir. So qualified system and management staff. Staff बोलो या expert बोलो, whatever you feel good sir. So tell me sir, अगर एक normal MIS को effective MIS you want to make sir, first thing required is what sir? Database. Second thing you require is staff. Agreed? Now third point sir, can I say ये जो software है, most of the time these software का benefits are known to middle/bottom level managers sir. See, top level managers are more busy in doing business, so they are not having knowledge of all latest IT developments. Similarly, at home sir, which phone is launching, which phone has what features, sir, as a kids or as a what is a as a youngster we know this, but our parents do not know about it, sir, है ना? So we have to educate them so that they will give money and we will buy, sir. So can I say here what we require is support of top management. कैसा support, sir? Financial support. करेक्ट है सर. सबऑर्डिनेट्स डोंट एक्सेप्ट इफ मैनेजमेंट डोंट सपोर्ट. तो जब तक मैनेजमेंट डज नॉट गिव फिनेंशियल सपोर्ट, जब तक मैनेजमेंट डज नॉट गिव अप्रूवल टू बाई MIS, then that MIS is not going to be effective. मतलब even though if middle bottom management is thinking of buying an MIS and if they don't take permission of whom, sir? Top management, that MIS is never going to be effective. You cannot implement them in a proper manner. It's like, sir, you are going for a love marriage, sir, and you have brought one chinti or chintu which is against your caste, sir. Sir, don't you think जब तक your parents do not accept the chinti or chintu, sir, तब तक that marriage is not going to be successful if you want to live jointly, sir, है ना? So if you want to live jointly, so what is required, sir? Support of your parents. Here software should have become successful, support of management. Clear? Fourth point, sir. Can I say every software or every what do you say, electrical item when you buy, sir, you will be getting some instructions, operational manual. Now don't you think you should use that IT assets as per the manual? What is written in the manual you should use in the same manner, sir. And if you don't use in the same manner, what will happen, sir? Then this electrical item will not function properly. Say for example, sir, remote car we have purchased, sir, and a wireless remote car we have purchased, sir. Along with that we get manual also, sir, how to use it, sir. Now imagine that remote car I am playing in water, sir. Do you think that will function? No. So can I say, am I using the software as per the directions of developer? No. So what do you mean by control here? Control refers to controlled usage. So one should use the MIS as per the instructions of the development team. One should use the MIS as per the instructions of whom, sir? Development team, sir. जब तक you don't use the software as per the instructions of development team, तब तक your MIS is not going to become what, बच्चा? Effective. Clear? Next, sir, then you have maintenance. Now can I say software है, time to time, है ना, it may have some errors, sir. Do you think you should continue with those errors or you should remove those errors as soon as possible? As soon as possible. So here maintenance refers to what, sir? Alterations or modifications. So any changes, any modifications which is required as per user need or environment need, you have to make changes in the software. Then only that software is going to be effective. Remember, all side headings last may should conclude to be effective, sir. Sir, if you don't have a common database, your software is not going to be effective. If you don't have well trained staff which is having technical knowledge and you don't have well trained technical person having business knowledge, it is not going to be effective. Management support not there, not effective. Controlled usage or maintenance not there, not effective, sir. And last wala is evaluation. What do you mean by evaluation, sir? Now can I say MIS software you have developed and you have installed. Now business requirement keeps on changing. Now what you should do, sir? You should closely always monitor the implemented MIS and check whether further improvements in MIS are required, whether you should make some changes in it or not, sir. So that is what I mean by overall evaluation. That is what I mean by overall evaluation, sir. So what are the 5 things required for normal MIS to become effective MIS, sir? First, database. Second, staff. थर्ड वाला सपोर्ट, किसका सपोर्ट, मैनेजमेंट का सपोर्ट सर। एंड फोर्थ वाला इज व्हाट सर, कंट्रोल्ड यूसेज एंड मेंटेनेंस। एंड फिफ्थ वाला इज इवैल्यूएशन। So you may remember this via one memory technique also if required sir. Effective MIS requires STD. Effective MIS require STD. Effectiveness for what sir, evaluation सर। S मतलब क्या सर, सपोर्ट। एस मतलब क्या सर, सपोर्ट फ्रॉम होम सर, टॉप मैनेजमेंट सर। सर डी इज व्हाट सर, डेटा बेस। डी इज व्हाट सर, डेटा बेस। ओके, सो हियर व्हाट वी विल डू सर, एस के लिए वी विल राइट स्टाफ एंड टी के लिए वी विल राइट टॉप मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट। 3 4 and MIS में M you have to write for what sir, maintenance. You have to write M for what बच्चा, maintenance sir. So these are your 5 points. Now generally I don't believe है ना things should be buttified through memory technique sir. I already told you via explanation in this manner you can go, but still some students finds easy through memory technique. For those people this is the point sir. I hope you understood sir. That can we go forward sir? Yes, this ends this answer sir. Now let us discuss another question sir. So what is another question sir, computer and its effect on MIS sir. मतलब MIS was happy non computerized जैसे ही computers have been introduced in MIS, जैसे ही computers are introduced in MIS, there are some changes which has happened in MIS. So what are those effects? What are those effects sir, है ना? Now these effects can be good also, these effects can be bad also. अगर हिंदी में I have to tell you sir, एक MIS में कंप्यूटर के आने के बाद क्या क्या परिवर्तन आए सर? सर తెలుగు में if I have to tell sir, ఒక MIS లో కంప్యూటర్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎలాంటి మార్పులు వచ్చాయి సార్? సో what changes have come sir? So these changes, these effects can be good also, bad also. Corona has come into Indian territory. What effect has come in Indian people life sir? You know the answer sir. Okay, so this can be good also, bad also. Why good sir? You got good time to spend with your family. Why bad? You know the answer sir. So in the same manner let us see all those points sir. Sir don't you think computer based MIS आने से speed of processing will increase? Now you can do things faster. Sir don't you think now you can do little things at a time, a wide scope analysis, you can analyze too many things in less period sir. Sir don't you think different subsystems now gets integrated, meaning earlier for general entry one person was there, for trial balance one person was there, ledger preparation one person was there, balance sheet P&L one person was there sir. But jaise tally has come, don't you think everything is now integrated? One person passing the entry, everything will get over sir. So can I say this is advantage? This is also advantage. Integration is also advantage sir. Sir are you getting detailed information? Yes, comprehensive मतलब detailed information, total department का information sir. So this is also one of the advantages sir. Sir don't you think इससे effectiveness is getting sir? This is also one of the advantage. But don't you think now you have to design the software, you have to design the software. This is one disadvantage, because if it was a manual software designing was not required sir. So with this we conclude which answer sir, computer and its effect on MIS. So fx can be good also, fx can be bad also. So balance answer we'll discuss in next class, sir. Thank you very much.